Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Alfi Rizky from C class of phonology. So in this video, I would like to continue my explanation about phonological rules. Where in the last video, I have already shared or informed you about assimilation and also insertion. So in this video, I would like to share you my understanding about deletion and also similitude. So for the first is deletion. Deletion is a phonological process in which a speech sound disappears when we pronounce a word. So sometimes it happens because when we pronounce a word too fast, and deletion appears to make us easier in pronouncing the word. So when we want to pronounce a complicated word, when we want when we speak quickly, so deletion can appear to help us to make us easier in pronouncing the word. So here there are three types of deletion. First is deletion of consonant, and second is deletion of vowel, and the third is deletion of whole syllable. First is deletion of consonant. Deletion of consonant sometimes appear to simplify the word clusters or the consonant clusters. So we can take the example of the word X. For the word of the verb of action, X. So when we try to spell it, so there will be a diphthong, A and E before K, T, and S. But when we want but when we pronounce when deletion appears or insert to this word, we will pronounce it as X. X. So there is nothing T when we pronounce X. So uh, so we delete or omit the word the sound T in X. And the second is about deletion of vowel, where sometimes it occurs or appears when we pronounce the unstressed syllable that comes before or after stressed syllable. For the example is tonight, tonight. So where if we try to pronounce it originally, we will pronounce it tonight, tonight. So after T there is a tonight. But when deletion insert to this word, we will pronounce it as tonight, tonight. So we omit the word a in this in pronouncing the word tonight. And we can also take the example from the word police, police, where if we try to pronounce it originally, we will pronounce it as police, police, police. But when deletion insert to this word, so we omit the word a after p sound. So please, please. So that's, and the third is deletion of whole syllable, where it occurs when the syllable are unstressed, especially for words having consonant which are repeated in the following syllable. For the example is the word library. Library. So we can find that there are two syllables which are repeat which are repeat twice. Those are r and re. So if we try to pronounce it originally, we pronounce as library, 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 li- library. But when deletion insert to this word, we will omit the word r before re. So how to pronounce it? The word library is library, library, library. So there is nothing r in the word. So we delete or omit the word r in library. So that is about deletion. So next is about similitude, where similitude has a similarity with assimilation, but what makes those process different, if we use assimilation as where assimilation means that the word comes first is affected by the word comes after it, or the word comes the second is affected by the word comes before it. So the word which is affected is changed to be to be the same word with the word which is affecting the affected word. So for the example from assimilation is handbag, the word hand and bag. So the word be in hand is affected by the word be in bag. So the word the is replaced or affect or changed to be such or omit and affected by the word be in bag. So how to pronounce it is handbag, like that. So for but for similitude is when there are two phonemes are staying closer and it is and those phonemes are pronounced uh, as ones or or it can be said as when we pronounce it those 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 phonemes are combined or resemble. For the example is the word try, where if we try to hear the word try, the phoneme r, the sound r, and the r resemble or combine. So it forms try. So there are in similitude there are two types. First is ordinary and second is varieties. The word ordinary means that the word ordinary happens when the phoneme is in the original version. So there is so to make you easier in understanding, I will give you example from for the example is the word come. So the word income is ordinary and there is nothing for this in this kind of phone or syllable. And second is varieties, where it is it means that there is a varieties in pronouncing, such uh, the word true, where the word are in true are is sounds combined with the word t it that comes before the word er. So how to pronounce it is true, 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 where the sound t and er are combined. And it is also in the same when we take the example of price, price, when the word er is also combined, is also sounds combined with the word with the sound p in price. So how to pronounce is price. So maybe that's all from me. If I have made many mistakes, I take your pardon. In the last I say catch you later.